What's up, gentlemen? Today we're talking about cars, more specifically 10 essential items that you need in yours. So before I get into the 10 essential items, guys, that every guy needs in his car, there are two things that you need to do to your car. Number one is make sure that it's clean. Guys, keeping your car clean is one of the easiest things you can do in order to boost your car's appearance, make it look a little better, a little sexier, even if it's a big, humongous piece of crap. So I personally love the membership drive-through car washes, right? We've got one 2 minutes from my house. I pay like 20 bucks a month and I can literally come through once a day if I want to. And this is a quick and easy way to basically make sure that your car is always clean, and it also saves you a lot of time. And for those of you who are like, yo, your paint, it's getting all scratched and jacked up, what do I care? It's a lease. I also love the fact that they give you towels to dry off after you're done. And that's it. Literally 5 minutes, your car is clean. Let's ride. So step number one, make sure the car is clean. Step number two, make sure it doesn't smell like ass. It doesn't matter if you're driving a Lambo or a Kia Spectra. If somebody gets in it and it stinks like your butt, this is absolutely a turnoff. It's also a disaster, right? So how are you gonna fix it? I'm gonna make this super easy for you. It's called Drift, all right? Drift, right here. This is what I use, and this is what I'm gonna link to down below, all right? Drift is a sister company to the company Scentbird. You guys all know how I love Scentbird. I'm a huge Scentbird slut, right? Well, they came out with this company called Drift that sends you an amazing car freshener that smells absolutely incredible. And the thing that I love about Drift is that it doesn't have a bunch of synthetic, toxic chemicals that make your car smell. It's all natural, essential oils. And guys, I'm telling you, this one that I recently got is called Teak. It is insane. So the way that it works is pretty awesome, right? You can scan the QR code right there, or you can hit the link down below. Use the discount code ALPHA, and your first month of Drift is literally gonna be under $5. What you're gonna get is this simple, sleek metal clip that your Drift actually just connects to with a magnet, right? And this bad boy, you slip it in your visor, you take it and you simply clip it on your visor, and then you grab your Drift, which is made of a simple, sustainable block of wood with a little magnet in it. It also has the essential oils and fragrance basically on it, and then bang, right there, that's it. And then once a month, you're gonna get a new one, right? Because that's the thing, right? Drift recommends switching them out every 30 days to really make sure that you're smelling as good as possible. But they also have something called the Scent of the Month Club, which I also think is super cool because scent blindness is a thing. Switching it up, right, with the Scent of the Month, it allows you to basically try different fragrances, right? This one, Teak, like I said, is insane. It's woody, it's masculine, but not overpowering. And that's the thing that I absolutely love about all of the Drift products. They also have products that are designed to make your air in your home smell amazing as well. Guys, the Teak that I got this month, guys, is so sexy, right? And the thing that I love about all of the fragrances that Drift offers is that it's not fruity or floral or super overpowering. They're subtle, but they're incredibly amazing. And the flexibility of their subscription is incredible. You can change your fragrance super easy. You can also change the delivery schedule, all right? You can also cancel anytime, but you're not gonna want to, because seriously, it is just so good. Guys, if you're ready to make your car smell as sexy as you, I want you to hit that link down below, or you can scan the QR code, use the discount code ALPHA to get 55% off your first month of Drift. So your car is clean, it doesn't smell like your ass. Now, let's go over the 10 essential items that I personally feel every dude needs in his automobile. All right, now, I also down below want you to let me know what I missed, all right? Is there something that you feel every dude needs in his car? And these are in no particular order of importance of awesomeness. Number one, right here, pen and paper, because you always need a way to write something down. Maybe there's a hit and run, maybe there's a spicy senorita, you gotta give her a number to, right? Here it is, pen and paper, every dude needs it. Something else that I need is a little tube of Vaseline, right? The Vaseline, in terms of lip balm, in my opinion, is the best, all right? Vaseline also can double as like a moisturizer. If your hands are like super dry or you want to put a little dab around your eyes, Vaseline, in my opinion, is amazing. But some of the other lip balms, right, they can like melt and get all nasty, all right? Something else that I love because it keeps me from looking nasty is this, right? It's a little tiny grooming kit that basically has all of the essential items I need, right? I have two of these. I've got one for my house, but I also have one for my car, right? It's got scissors. Every dude needs scissors. It's got clippers for your nails. Every dude needs to have nice nails. It's got tweezers because if you got a rogue hair you want to pluck, or maybe you got a splinter, right? This kit always comes in handy, right? And you never think about it until you need it, right? Something else you never think about until you need it is actually a knife. This one also on the back has a glass break, so if I happen to drive off a bridge and I'm in water and I'm like, oh my God, right, I gotta get up, boom! You use that bad boy, crack a window, you're good to go. But you could also use it if there's like an accident and there's somebody that needs your help, right? Having a knife in your car, in my opinion, is always a good idea. Umbrella, gentlemen, whether or not it's for you or a spicy senorita, right? Having an umbrella is a must-have because you spent time, money, energy making sure your hair looks straight and your clothing's good. If it's raining, what are you gonna do? Exactly, umbrella. Now you're like, yo, cheetah, seriously? I'm like, yo, cheetah, yes. Gum, right? Of course. You need fresh breath. Of course, gum, right? I love Icebreaker's gum. Something else that I love having on hand is a pack of tissues, right? Whether or not somebody's crying, needs tissue, or you got a runny nose, you need a tissue, or you spill something, you need a tissue, or you get frisky and freaky in the car with somebody, you might need a tissue. Exactly. You know what I'm saying. Sunglasses, an extra pair also, I would keep them in your car as well. I also keep a spare pair of glasses because I'm blind and at night, nobody wants to drive with me. Now, let's go to the trunk. I've already lost count of how many it's been, but we're probably gonna go over 10. All right, so in the trunk, I've got some other essential, non-essential things that, in my opinion, every dude could benefit from, all right? The first thing is actually this. It's called the Slime. It's a little mini like tire inflator, and this thing has come in handy. I've got one in my car, also my wife's car. They're super affordable, but if you like have a flat tire or you get a nail and you come out and you're like, oh crap, instead of having to change it like right there, just being able to pump it up like super quick, super easy, definitely a good thing. Something else I have is what I call my essential bag of non-essentials, all right? There's a lot of crap in here. Over the years, I've collected a lot of stuff in like my console, and every time I get a new car, every time I switch cars, it all goes in this bag. And instead of putting it like back into my glove compartment or wherever, I simply just put it and keep this bag in my trunk. It's got extra change, which is essential. A few dollar bills, also essential. It's got hand sanitizer. It's got a toothbrush. It's got toothpaste. It's got aspirin. It's got Tylenol. What else does it have in here? Oh, now we're getting to the good stuff, all right? It's also got butt wipes, right? Because you never know when like, oh my God, and right? Butt wipes, definitely essential, all right? A few other things, dental floss. Yes, every dude needs dental floss in his car, all right? I've also got a pair of headphones, just in case, like I forget mine and I'm out for a run. It's got just a bunch of crap. Oh. A flashlight, which is another essential I feel like every dude needs in his car, right? A flashlight, it's dark outside, you hit a possum, like whatever. Having a flashlight and being able to go and look for things, right? Or you get a flat tire, whatever, right? A flashlight is an essential item, all right? This is just a simple, clean, little metal flashlight, right? By the company Coast. This thing is badass. Something else that's badass is this box, all right? I also keep a box of stuff in my car at all time, just in case, right? You never know. Johnny on the spot, always prepared. That is my motto, all right? I've got a zip-up sweater or shirt or jacket. This always comes in handy. My wife never wears like enough clothes. What I mean by that is like it might be like cold outside, and I know because I'm a dude and I check the weather, right? Oh, I better bring a light jacket, right? I'll be dressed appropriately. She gets there and she just looks cute, and then she's like, I'm cold, and I run to the car and give her my good jacket and I'll wear this bad boy. Something else I have in here is a little kit, right? This is a first aid kit. It's got all the essential like items that you're gonna need if you ever like have an accident, you cut your finger. It's got band-aids, it's got, you know, things in there that basically you can utilize for like helping somebody or helping yourself, which I feel is also important. I also keep a pair of extra gloves in the car, and something else that I keep that's actually come in handy a lot is an old towel. You literally never know when you're gonna need a towel, and the thing is, it always comes in handy for some reason. And the last thing I keep in my car is an extra pair of old running shoes, all right? And the reason is because A, I'm very active, and B, I like to run. And so, you know, I like to always know that I have the ability to go for a jog, go for a run, do some cardio, go for a hike. It just makes sense to keep an extra pair of like sneakers or running shoes like in your car, or as I call it, my box of auto awesomeness. Gentlemen, what did I miss? If you're ready to make your car smell as sexy as you, I want you to hit that link down below, or you can scan the QR code, use the discount code ALPHA to get 55% off your first month of Drift. If you dug this video, drop me one of these.